Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 8 to 14, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let us see, Aquarius. What's up with you this week, Aquarius? Flexible. Oh. So, maaring magiging very busy ka ngayong week na to. You will do a lot of things. Maaring may mga asikasuhin ka ngayong week na to. Like, pupunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. And yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong idadagdag na kaalaman or skills na kung saan mas magpapalawak ng inyong abilities, no? Ng inyong skills. Skill set. Learning new skills. Ganyan. Para meron kang ibang options, no? Ayan. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng, mas magiging physically active na kayo. Yung iba, mag-gym, or gagawa kayo ng mga physical activities na kung saan, mas magiging flexible kayo. Ayan. Stretching. So, let's see, Aquarius. You have the Hanged Man. Meron kang mga pinag-iisipan, nagmumuni-muni about life, no? About what you want to do moving forward. And maybe because of the changes na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. You have the Seven of Swords. Pwedeng merong nang betray sa'yo. Tapos, niisip mo, bakit niya nagawa yun? Hindi mo sukat akalain. Bakit ka niloko nun? Bakit siya nagsinungaling sa'yo? So, you're still thinking, bakit? Anong nagawa mo? Okay, so some of you will also experience fame, no? Pagiging sikat. People will admire you. People will be appreciating what you are doing, no? Ma-appreciate nila yung mga ginagawa mo. Kaya nga, meron mga tao sa paligid mo na will feel jealous about your success. So, parang iniisip mo, bakit may mga taong kunyari, nagse-celebrate sa'yo because of your achievements, pero deep within them, naiinggit sila or nagseselos sila sa nakukuha mong attention. And I feel na you will realize that, no? And medyo magse-step back ka. Hindi ka na masyadong magiging close sa kanila, iubasan mo sila. You will try to be more careful, no, in dealing with other people, lalo na sa mga intentions nila. You have the World card. Some of you are going to end a cycle in your life, like a new chapter is going to start, no? Bagong chapter ng buhay mo magsisimula. The World card is also about culmination. So, ito yung time na you are reassessing the things na mga na-achieve mo, yung mga goals mo na you were able to make it happen. Tapos, iniisip mo ano pa yung hindi at ano yung mga pwede mong gawin para ma-accomplish mo yung iba na hindi naging successful for you. Queen of Swords energy. So, you are going to learn a lot. Maaring marami ka ng mga ideas ngayon on how to improve your life, on how to improve yourself. I also see you networking, connecting with other people, pero not to the point na magiging emotionally connected ka sa kanila. Para sa'yo, you just want practical connections. Kumbaga, you are dealing with these people because of somehow the benefits that you will be getting from them and also the benefits that they will get from you. So, kumbaga, pantay, no? Gusto mo equal lang para walang natatake advantage. So, you also have the Nine of Cups. A lot of celebration for you. Ngayong week na to, meron kang wish fulfillment. I see you, parang meron kang mga ma-achieve ngayong week na to na matagal mo nang minamanifest. And this is going to be happening, no? maraming accomplishments for you. Yes, you have the Jupiter in Taurus in the second house. Yung iba may mga mabibili kayong material na bagay, no? Na makakapagpa-inspire pa sa inyo to do better, to work harder. Ayan. Pwede itong mga ari-arian, properties, mamahaling gamit. You also have Saturn in Aquarius in the 11th house. Yes, you choose the people na magiging very close ka. So, kumbaga, marami kang acquaintances, marami kang connections, pero hindi lahat yon ay malapit sa'yo. So, piling-pili lang yung mga tao na hayaan mong maging malapit sa'yo. You also have Moon in Taurus in the second house. So, pagdating sa finances mo, you are really building a very stable financial situation, no? I see you becoming more parang maging mas matalino sa pag-handle ng finances. There are also some people around you na merong hindi magandang intentions towards you, so be very careful in dealing with these people. But I think kayang-kaya mong i-handle yan. Alam mo agad kung ang isang tao ay merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. Wow, so there's a lot of blessings, unexpected fortune for you, Aquarius, coming in. Pwedeng bigla kang mananalo sa raffle, sa loto, or kung ano man yung hindi mo inaasahan na makukuha mong pera. Hindi kasi to yung parang trabaho na makukuha mo yung pera kasi pinagtrabahuhan mo. This is something na biglaan mong makukuha. So, meron kang career or business na babalikan mo. Maybe because you feel na may potential to ngayon kesa noon, kaya babalikan mo siya. You are meant to be successful, yes. So, ngayong week na to, you will feel the success is really happening to you. One success after the other, no? So, that's why magiging motivated ka. Yung iba sa inyo, merong pagtaas ng sweldo, merong promotion sa trabaho, meron ding leadership role na nag-unfold para sa inyo. So, sa love naman, passion, open-minded, okay? Some of you will enter a relationship or a connection na medyo parang non-committal, no? Walang commitment. Because you think na mas okay to, na walang ina-expect, no? But eventually, this might lead to separation, no? Lalo na kapag naging parang akala mo kasi ayaw mo ng commitment, pero yung pala na mahuhook ka doon sa person na yun. But I feel like medyo complicated na situation for some of you. Based lang siya sa mga makukuha nyong benefits sa isa't isa. That's why you might enter in an open relationship na walang commitment. But eventually, hindi rin siya mag-work out for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.